Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lamb curry, and it's a really interesting mix of Southeast Asian and Indian flavours. It's served with cucumber raita and ginger rice. First of all, you need to marinate your lamb. Take 4 cardamom pods, just give it a roll, just add that to the lamb. And now what I've got here is a commercially made Thai curry paste. So put the curry paste in. Now I'm going to add some curry leaves, and they don't have a lot of flavour, but they add a really lovely sort of green background hint. Give it a good stir. Leave that for at least 15 minutes, and that curry paste is going to get into the lamb and start making it really flavoursome, or as I said, you can leave it overnight. So the lamb's been marinating 15 minutes, and it's time to start the curry. Just a bit of oil in the pan, and then add your onions, just diced, some sliced carrots, some garlic, sliced, and some ginger. Give that a good stir, and then you just want to slowly cook this down until it becomes nice and caramelised. So it's time to add the lamb. Give it a good stir. The aromas coming off this are terrific. You've got that lovely sort of spiciness coming through, the sweetness from the onions, the garlic and the ginger. It's lovely. So once the lamb's taken on a bit of colour, add some turmeric and cinnamon. Just a couple of teaspoons of turmeric and a bit of a cinnamon quill. Stir that through it. Now add some coconut milk tomatoes, a bit of salt and water. Give it a good stir and bring it to the boil. Then put a lid on, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook it for 90 minutes. So the curry's been cooking for 90 minutes and it's time to cook your rice. Heat up some oil with a little bit of cumin, some ginger, just been grated. And then I've got some basmati rice. And what I've done with this, it's in a very fine sieve, and I've just rinsed it under a running tap, and it just gets rid of any of the extra rice dust that is often on rice. It makes it cook a bit better. Add it to the sizzling ginger and cumin. Just give it a stir until all the rice is coated with the oil, which is now nice and aromatic. And then add some water. Bring to the boil. And then the trick with rice, well, this is how I like to cook it anyway. I always bring it to the boil, put a lid on, simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of the grain of the rice. Turn the heat off, and then leave it for at least 10 minutes, and you end up with perfect rice every time. So the curry's bubbling away, the rice is cooking, it's time to make the minted cucumber raita. All you need is some plain yogurt, and then take the zest and juice of 1 lime. You've got some mint leaves. Goes in, a little bit of salt. And what I've got here is a cucumber skin on. I've just grated it. And what you do is you squeeze out the excess moisture. Just put that in to your yogurt. And then just stir that all together, and that's your minted cucumber raita. So the curry and the rice are both cooked. The cucumber raita is ready, so it's time to plate up. So this is my curried New Zealand lamb on ginger rice with minted cucumber raita.